On power-up, the Aviator clock will attempt to get the time from the NTP server set in the code. The red NTP fail indicator lights and the purple NTP search indicator flashes. Once NTP time is obtained, the red NTP fail indicator goes out and the purple NTP indicator stops flashing. After a short delay, the gauges move to their home positions, lighting each zero indicator in turn. The Aviator clock now waits for the select button to be pressed before setting the correct time on the gauges. Once the clock has started, the purple indicator flashes every second to show the clock is running normally. On initial power-up, the digital seconds display will show 59. Once the seconds reach 59, a synchronization pulse is sent from the main ESP32 processor to the secondary Atmel32 processor. This pulse now starts the digital seconds display and will keep it in sync every minute on 59 seconds.